All right, so I wanted to share this GitHub action I created for this project. Basically, the project, what it does is it's an application in two different availability zones in a VPC with a public and private network on a load balancer with a jump host, and we have SNS and CloudWatch set up. And I built this all with Terraform. And I was like, okay, let me set up some continuous integration, and I went with GitHub Actions. And the issue I ran into was I have all my projects in one repo, and the last time I did this, it was separated. It was on different repositories. I didn't really have to worry about conflicting repos or conflicting Terraform files, etc. So first thing I did was set up the AWS secret and secret ID keys, and you would go into the repository settings, and then you'll just come into secret variables action. You set these up. After I did that, because the way my project is built, sorry, I just clicked on the wrong one. Because the way my project is built, and I have all sorts of projects in the same Git repository, I needed to make sure that the GitHub action, the workflow was only pointing to this project, AWS CloudOps environment. So if you click into .github workflows, I'll kind of show you what I did. We look into here. The cool thing I did was one, I set the working directory. Where is it? Working directory in my environment, and then also I just said if we do pull requests, or push requests within this path, then run the GitHub action. I'm just gonna do that real quick. You guys can see. Let's just echo trigger into the README file and commit this. Oop. And then add it, then commit. This should trigger the GitHub action. And this GitHub action is, oh, we gotta push it. Let's do git push. All right, so this should trigger it, and all it's doing is it's checking the format of the Terraform file. It's running Terraform FMT, and then validating it, and then running Terraform plan to just verify that the code is not going to break. The reason why I didn't set it up to do a Terraform apply is because people have been pulling this repo, and I'm just leaving it up to other people to do. If they want to set that, that's up to them. This is kind of just an extra project for me. So I'm not planning to run it, especially since it's running in AWS. If I want to spin it up, I will. I don't want to unnecessarily just start charging charging fees, getting charged to spin up these servers. But as you can see, it looks pretty good and it's complete. Yeah, it's pretty cool.